Welcome back everyone. I made a video talking about the best VPNs for Android devices. So I'll show you how to use VPN on any Android phone. Unblock your favorite websites and apps with the best worldwide free VPN. And I figured a lot of you guys might need some VPN recommendations. So I looked online, I researched a little bit. Go to Play Store. Search HBVPN. The first one that I saw was HBVPN. Now what's interesting about this is that you don't have to sign in for an account or anything like that. You no need to do anything like that. All you have to do is agree and trust them basically, and then move on. So this app pretty much is just like any other VPN app. Download this app. You have to do is go and click connect and start connecting. And now I'll go and let you just guys see how long it takes to connect to it. Now there will be a little bit of a pop-up on the top which basically says it's a VPN or whatever. As you can see, I'm connected. I can go and rate it if I want to. I'm connected to a USA VPN as well, so I can access. You can connect to any servers you want which are free. So if I'm in a different country, I'll be able to access basically all these sites. So that's pretty much it. That one I can go ahead and exit this one. So I'm going to disconnect out of this one. I can go on top connect, so that one is HBVPN. All these will be linked down below. Which is really cool. I can go to Netherlands if I want, to France or whatever. So in this case it's just auto select into the United States. You to connect to a couple different servers, which was really cool. Actually I kind of like this one HBVPN. This is actually I think the first one that when you search up VPN, it's actually the first one up here, and it has a lot of good reviews. Just download and enjoy the HBVPN.